All right, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1.
Yes, sure.
I'm going to ask you some questions and you got to answer. What kinds of things do you have to bring when you go outside?
There are many things when I have to go outside, like wristwatch, wallet, ID card, and cell phone.
Okay, this answer is very, very short. You need to elaborate. Like you can say, first of all, I have to take my ID card
ID card.
because they can ask me about ID card anytime. Secondly, I keep money with me whenever I go outside. And finally, it's my wristwatch that I take. So whenever I go outside, I take all these things.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Just try to elaborate your answer a little. Did you ever forget to bring anything?
Yes, I had to go university by bus. I forgot my wallet at my room. Fortunately, I knew someone in the bus who helped me. Otherwise, I have to get down.
I had to get off the
Oh,
bus.
sorry.
Right. How do you remind yourself?
Uh, I have become more. I have become very forgetful. I have short memory. I try to repeat things in my mind. Sometimes I can forget. I can set my reminder on my cell phone.
Okay. So you can just add a little more and try to speak
Yeah,
fluently.
sure, sir.
Do you carry different things in the morning and different in the evening?
Yeah, it depend on where.
It depends on
It depend on
where I'm going.
where I have to go. In the morning when I go to university, so I carry my bags and books. And in the evening when I am going to gym, so I carry my bags, therabands, water bottles.
Okay, so such type of things I carry with me and all. You need a lot of practice, number one. Number two, you have to be familiar with these type of questions because they can ask you any question
Yeah.
related to anything.
Anything.
There will not be any general knowledge question. There will be only general questions about your everyday life. So try to be familiar and focus your language. At least learn tenses and practice the tenses, use of helping verbs, use of modal verbs, and then you'll be fine. Okay?
Inshallah, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.